Hello students, welcome to Learning Point. This is your Tanmay sir. So today I am back with the types of counter. So in the last video of counter, we have seen what is counter and what are the different types of counter. So in the last video we have seen up counter, we have seen down counter. Up counter counts upwardly, down counter counts downwardly. And what is a counter? Counter is a device which is the combination of flip-flop which is used for counting purpose. So in this video, depending on the nature of counter, we have seen nature means what? Depending on the states. Depending on the states, the counters are two types. One is synchronous counter and the other type is asynchronous counter. Fine. So at first I will discuss about synchronous counter. So actually what is synchronous counter? You can see here it is written the state always have fixed time relation with each other. The state always have fixed time relation. So what is state? See, in the previous class also we have seen that state means how many times it is behaving, right? It is behaving how many times with respect to different time segments. So suppose I have a 2-bit counter. Then what will be the number of state? The formula is 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 2, that is 4. It means for a 2-bit counter, what is the number of state? Number of state is 4. So if these are the, I am drawing, these are the 4 states, 1 2 3 and then 4, 1 2 3 4. These are the 4 states, right? So in synchronous counter, the time is equal for each and every counter. It means the time is same, the time is common. If counter 1 is working after 1 second, it means from 1 to 2 it will another again it will work for another 1 second, and after 1 second again 2 to 3, 3 to 4 again 1 second. So 1 second, 1 second, 1 second distance is there for every states. This is why here it is written that the states always will have fixed time relation with each other. Here flip-flops have a common clock pulse. They changes at the same time, right? Because we have seen for synchronous counter they have a common clock pulse, common clock signal. No different clock signals are there. By a common clock signal we will operate synchronous counter. So definitely this flip-flops will have a common clock pulse. Then I have written here flip-flops achieve the same clock signal for all at a time. Same thing again. What is the thing? For all states, as we know, counter is a combination of flip-flops. So it may be so many flip-flops are there, right? This is J, this is K, this is J, this is K, J, K. So it may be 1 2 3. Here it is a 3-bit flip-flop. So many flip-flops are combination of counter. It means counter means so many flip-flops are there. Flip-flops are there in a combination form to produce counter, right? So it means in synchronous counter it will count synchronously, right? It will count synchronously. Fine. So this is all about synchronous counter. So examples I have also here given: ring counter, then Johnson counter. So I will discuss these things later on. Now let's go to another type, that is asynchronous counter. So what is asynchronous counter? See, you read out it first. Asynchronous counter means the states does not have any fixed time relation with respect to each other. Here flip-flop does not have a common clock pulse. As a result, they do not change at the same time. What does it mean? It means here suppose again 3 states or 4 states are there. These are 3 states. So from 0, this is 1 second for state 1, for state 2, and this is for state 3. But it is not sure that as state 1 has been initiated after 1 second, it means state 2 also will be initiated at after 1 second. No, it is not sure. It may be after 2 seconds, it may be after 3 seconds. It means a different state may have take different time segments to be activated, right? It means if I count 1, now I have count 1. So what is the next count? 2. What is the next count? 3. But it may be that at 12 am I am saying 1, at 12:30 I am saying 2, but at 2 p.m. I am saying 3. It means the states are not happening with a equal time interval, right? It is the meaning of this asynchronous counter. It means it will count but not synchronously, only asynchronously it will count. Here flip flops will get clock signal. First flip flop, here the first flip flop will get the clock signal and the second would get from the output of the first and so on. It means in first flip flop it will get the clock signal. It will in the first flip flop, suppose 3 flip flops are there or 2 flip flops are there, they are connected like so. In the first flip flop I will give CLK, it means I will give clock pulse. I will not give in the second what? I will not give in the second. What will I not give? I will not give any clock pulse signal to the second one. Then how will it get accelerated? It means the output from the first flip flop will act as a clock signal for the second one. It means only I have to give to the first one, and again automatically the output of the first will be fed to the second. Okay. A special type of asynchronous counter is ripple counter because it counts asynchronously. Okay, this was a simple introduction of synchronous counter and asynchronous counter. I hope you liked this video. So, okay, bye bye, see you on the next video.